Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can get iOS 13.0 on your phone. And currently, as of now, I have 12.3.1, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to get 13.0. So as I show you guys my version, you guys will see right here that it's 12.3.1, and I'm going to go ahead and change that to 13.0, and I'm going to do that by entering beta 13.live on my mobile device. So let's go ahead and open up Safari and just type in that link, beta 13.live. Alright, so here's the URL. I'm going to go ahead and enter it and show you guys what to do. So very simple, just to get started, hit that start iOS 13 beta. And now it's just going to check your iDevice just to make sure it's compatible for the 13.0 upgrade, which most devices will be able to make that upgrade unless you have a very old iDevice. Alright, so we're just going to wait for this to load and wait for the compatibility check to go through so I then can proceed to the next step. So we're just waiting for this loading bar, and now it's just going to go ahead and set up our iDevice and prepare for the next steps. Alright, and once it's done loading, we can go ahead and hit that confirm button. And of course, always make sure to back up your iDevice before you make an update. And now it's just unpacking the 13.0 beta app bundle, which is basically the files we need in order to go from 12.3.1 to iOS 13.0. And before we can do that, we're going to have to do human verification, and we're going to do that just by installing 2 of these apps from this list and follow the instructions below each app we install. So it's a very simple process. The first app is Game of Thrones, and we're going to go ahead and open up this app, and then we can hit search. So this is just Game of Thrones slot machine, and we're going to remember the name and remember what the app looks like. And when we hit search app store, we will be able to scroll down and click the Game of Thrones slot machine app. So let's go ahead and do that. It's going to load up right here. And now we're just going to scroll down, and here we're going to start downloading Game of Thrones slots. Then we're going to go back onto the list of apps and choose the second app, which is Big Fish Casino. Same thing here, it's going to redirect us to this page. We're going to hit search app store, and then we're going to find Big Fish Casino and start installing that second app. So let's go ahead, wait for it to search here. Alright, and now we're just going to scroll down until we find Big Fish Casino, and there it is. And now we can just wait for both of the apps to complete installing so I can begin the human verification process. Alright, now that it's installed, I'm going to start off with the first app I installed, which is Game of Thrones Slots. And all I need to do for the human verification is make sure I'm on the app for at least 30 seconds, and during that 30-second duration, I'm doing human interactions. And since this is just a slot machine, I'm going to go ahead and use these 30 seconds of interactions just by playing the slot machine on this app. So it's very simple, self-explanatory stuff, as you can see right here. Once this app loads up, we're going to start playing some slots. Alright. Let's go ahead and start the game, and it's still loading on the bottom, as you can see here. And once it loads up, we're going to start playing the Game of Thrones slot machine. Alright, and now we can just wait for this intro, and now we can just start spinning and playing slot machine and gambling our virtual currency. So as you can see here, all I'm doing is just pressing the spin button, and this is how I'm doing these human interactions I was talking about that I need to do for at least 30 seconds when I'm on this app. So we're just going to keep spinning, and I said 30 seconds, but I always go a little over 30 seconds just to be sure the human verification goes through successfully. Now I'll go on to the next app, which is Big Fish Slots, and it's the same exact thing here. I just need to make sure I'm on this app for at least 30 seconds, and during those 30 seconds I'm doing human interactions, and I'm going to accomplish those human interactions just by playing the game. And this is just another slot machine app, so same thing here. I'm going to go ahead and start playing the slots and making sure I'm playing this app for at least 30 seconds. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and let's click ready. Let's get some currency so we can play the slots. Cool. We're going to go back into the lobby, and we're just going to click this random game. Insufficient cash, it's fine. I'm still doing human interactions while I'm interacting with the app, so even though I'm not playing the slot machine, it doesn't really matter as long as I'm doing these human interactions, as you can see here. And it's been over 30 seconds for that app as well. So now I've completed the human verification successfully. And as I go into my settings, you guys can now see the software version says 13.0. So an upgrade from my previous 12.3.1 iOS version. I now have iOS 13.0. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Just remember to follow the instructions of this video and go in on beta13.live. Hope you guys enjoy your iOS 13. Thank you for watching and have a good one.